Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we'll learn about alternative to for loop, and that's a while loop. So the approach is similar. You need to have lower boundary, upper boundary, and also algorithm, but the thing is, in my opinion, it's a little bit shorter. So let me clean this and let's start with starting void number, let's say will be 0, and immediately after that you will use while keyword. So not for, but while. So while something is true, do something, or while something is not true, do something else, something like that. So while number is less than 100, we need to do some kind of operation like document write, and let me see, number in this moment of time, and we will concatenate that with actual value in that moment of time, and we also need to have break here, HTML stuff. And some people will say, well, that's pretty much what is enough. But here is the thing, this is my CPU activity. The moment when you run this script, you will get yourself into a never-ending loop basically. See, the page is working constantly. You don't see result, but trust me, there are operation in progress. See what your CPU is doing. You don't see result, but your script is basically put your browser in a never-ending loop. Why? Because you didn't implement another part of the story, which is algorithm, how to jump from one step to another step. That's what you need to do also in the for loop. So see, page unresponsive, our browser is basically busted. I mean, at least this tab. Right, so exit page, and there you go. So we need to say, let's say here, that number, next number, will be number in this moment of execution plus step, which will be 1. And now everything will be fine. So our while loop is kind of complete. And there you go, from 0 plus 1 until 99, let's say 100. Okay, there you go, and everything is fine. So there is no for loop, there is no never-ending loop right now. Where is that thing? Okay, so this is just a spike when you run this thing one time, and that's it. Okay, so there you go, one spike, but see, CPU doesn't even feel this, but trust me, it do feel when you messed up your code. And you will, well, no matter how cautious you are, sooner or later you will run into this kind of problem. Maybe you are tired, you don't pay attention, people are in your office are talking, you don't know, basically you're not focused, and you will create this kind of stuff sooner or later. But no matter what you do have a backup of your database basically, because front ends are fine. I need to drink a little bit of water, sorry. So your front ends are fine, and that's cool, you know, they're beautiful, they're fast, but the point is that everything which is important for you and your website and your company, that's database. Databases are a replication of real life scenarios, of business logic, and no matter how you messed up your front end and even some part of back end, the crucial stuff is to preserve things inside of your database. Okay, and then you can breathe. When your database is safe, you can breathe. Right, so thank you for watching, and in the next tutorial we will upgrade this while loop a little bit with new fancy stuff. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you there.